Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I gonna talk about the secret sauce learning in Pare. Okay, so the biggest mistake people make when they come to Pare is thinking that simply being here will make them fluently by osmosis. It doesn't work like that. The real secret to learning English effectively here is total immersion. You have to embrace the English area rule. Even when it feels exhausting, it's about switching your brain's default languages. When you are buying petrol or renting a bicycle, trying to keep loose English structure running in your head. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to make the language feel natural, not like a course. Consistency over intensity. You'll see people studying uh, 12 hours a day for the first week and then burning out. To actually improve, you need a sustainable rhythm. This is where the environment of power helps. Use your commute, those long bicycle rides between camps and classroom to practice active listening or to shadow a podcast. The most effective learners here are the ones who treat every interaction as a mini lesson. Don't just sit in the back of the class. Be the person who asks the stupid questions. In Pare, those questions are your fastest ticket to fluency. The foundation why I recommended BC. If you are looking for a structure, tried and true path, I highly recommended BEC or Basic English course. It's often called the mother of Pare for a reason. Unlike many places that focus on only casual environment, BEC forces you to master the fundamental grammar, pronunciation, and structure with military grade discipline. It's for a student who wants a solid foundation before building the fancy stuff. The programs like CTC and TC are not just classes. They are endurance tests that build your character along with your vocabulary, turning knowledge into muscle memory. Learning a language is more like training for a sport than studying for history. You need muscle memory. In Pare, you have the unique advantage of having a 24/7 laboratory use the community in a discussion club, participate in a speech fair, or just hang out at a local cafe and strike up a conversation with stranger. The effective way to learn is to bridge the gap between the textbook and the real world. BEC give you the map, uh, but the streets of Paris are where you actually learn how to drive. The mindset is everything. Finally, the most effective tool in your kit, in your mindset, you have to be okay with looking a little silly. You will trip over your tenses and you will forget basic words. But this village, everyone is in the same boat. The moment you stop being afraid of making mistakes is the moment your English will actually start to soar. BEC provides the discipline, but you have to provide the courage to speak up. So, when you will come to parade, uh, you can prepare yourself and uh, arrange your arrange your uh, okay. I must learn study hard in there. So maybe enough. That's all from me. Thank you.